everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here for another unboxing of the Stickii Club, which this one is going to be the pop pack for April of 2023 of this very banged up thing. I didn't notice, and I already posted up the last video, which would be the cute pack. They changed the front of the envelope here. I thought maybe it had gotten more banged up in the mail, but do you see that? There is the cutest like stars and everything on here. So if your envelope didn't get banged up, you could potentially cut this out and like maybe make like something with it, like recycle the envelope. Does anybody out there do that? Let me know in the comments if you do that, like when you get things and you notice like they're really nice and you're like, I want to recycle that. I might do it to the cute one because it's better. Anyways, we're about to open this. Remember, I'm visually impaired and I use reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details. You will hear cars in the background. It is a wonderfully beautiful day today. And I opened all the windows in my house because I wanted to not be stuffed in the house no more. You know what I mean? Plus the house needed airing out. Something about winter, it just makes the house seem a little bit musty. Can I say musty? Is that okay? I don't know. Alrighty then. Ooh, it's going to be another dark colored one unless the stickers are different from that. Anyway, here we go. You guys got a sneaky peeky. And we're going to look at our theme sticker. Boop. There you go. I love the color. Ooh, I know someone else who's going to love this so much. It might be Julia. Beyond the reef. Beyond the reef. We got ourselves here some strange looking deep sea creatures, and I think we are going to enjoy this. As the big trucks with the big exhausts are enjoying the weather. All right, in our accessory pocket, looks like we have a sticker. So we have a sticker here. On the back is the maker's mark. There we go, if you'd like to follow them on their socials. Social media. Oh, Margaret. No. Is that a shark in a little submersible? Is it a submersible or are they in a spaceship? Oh. Oh. I want this on everything. I want this on everything. I want this on my phone. I want this on my Switch. I want this on I don't own a laptop. I want this on my tablet. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. Wow, is this not the cute pack? This is the pop pack. Alright, in our stationery pocket, we have a paper product here that looks quite beautiful. Is that a planet? Is this a notepad? Yes, it is a notepad, non-sticky, several sheets. Where's our maker's mark? Okay, Paradisla, I think it says. It is technically what line, because like there's differences in the colors. If you have a white jelly roll pen, that would be perfect to write on this. Or any gel pen. Oh, those are gorgeous. But yeah, if you have a white one, I bet you it would write. I need a white one. I need to get myself one. And they do make them in a bigger size. I think the standard size that usually like pens and markers come in is like 0.5 or 0.7, but they do come in ones because I do have pens in ones where I can see them. And now I want one just to write on this. Okay, I babbled about that enough. Now, oh my goodness, plastic. Now to get to the stickers. Okay, so we have 8 sticker sheets this time. I don't know why sheets was so hard for me. No second stationary item, but we have 8 full sheets. I'm going to do the solid ones first, and then I'll do the clear ones. So here we go with the very first one. It's very matte feeling. It looks like more creatures from the note card, I want to say. Ooh. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. These are definitely deep sea creatures. Ooh, that one's kind of creepy looking. Almost centipede. I'm not a big fan of centipedes. They terrify me. Yes, this is from the theme sticker and from There we go. There's the artist mark. It's very dark, but I bet you can see it. The theme sticker and the notepad. I almost want to keep saying note card, and I don't know why. I'm gonna put these off to the side. Push them over so I can put them there. Okay. Looks like we have maybe mermaids. Definitely some fishes. What is that? Is it a llama? Is it an undersea llama? It looks like, I don't know. It doesn't look, it looks sleepy. Like it's tired of everybody. I'm not 100% sure what that is, but I love it. The little goldfish looking things are giving me life. Oh, look how cute. Oh my goodness. Is that a bunny? Excuse me, are you an underwater bunny? This is like putting animals under the sea. Definitely gonna have to fight with Julia for these. Oh, I love whales. The humpback whale from Star Trek 4. Oh, there's the maker's mark. It's very light, but you guys can see it. Star Trek 4. Voyage Home. 100%. One of my favorite movies. Okay, here is sheet number 3. We got some more crabbity looking things. Little weird I wonder if this is the same as like the note card artist. It's a seahorse. Nautilus. I don't know what that is. That's another crabbity thing. Oh, okay, they're duplicated, so you get 2 of each. And maker's mark. No, this is a different person. All right. Cars are getting louder as the day goes on. Okay. I don't know what I'm seeing. It's very faint. Let's see here. Oops, I hit it. It's pretty. It's from the accessories pocket. Oh, look at them having a party. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is a very, very lovely hammerhead shark. I don't know all the sharks' names. I don't know all the animals' names, but oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my goodness. Stop, these are so cute. They are giving me so much life. Look at that face. Oh, I dropped it. I'm so excited for the shark face. I'm gonna follow you on Instagram because it's cute. I wonder if this is like one of their characters since it's part of their artist mark. Like one of their normal characters. I don't know. I want it to be. 100% want it to be like their normal character. A little baby shark. Okay, let's turn this over so that we can look at our first clear sheet I just made. Now these are stamp shaped, but do not use these for stamps. They are not legal stamps, and they are beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use these on things. Yeah, they even, like, some of them have, like, 2 cents and whatnot. These will not work as stamps. Do not use them. Some of these are super dark. Do you see that? Like, when you look at it a certain way, you can't see the fish on it. The only foiling on them is the actual, like, stampediness of them. I love this. Ah! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Not actual postage. Postage. Not actual postage. I don't know why I just sound like Sean Connery there. Not actual postage. Alright, we have some... I can already see we've got some king crabs. We got us... Oh! I didn't know they were shiny. Like Pokemon. Bark, bark, there's a dog outside. Are they gonna all be red? Oh my goodness. These are beautiful. That one looks like a spider. My mom would not appreciate that. She'd be like, that's a spider. I'm like, no. That's a crab. I don't know all the crabs' names. I know there's snow crabs, and there's king crabs, and there's snappy biter crabs. And here is our Artist mark. Yeah, they're all red. Oh, I didn't even notice that. When I go to like separate them from clear and like, you know, from the solid, what I do sometimes is like when I go to put it down, I'm like, ooh, that looks interesting. Something's going on there. But this is the first time we got all of like a solid like red. We've had blue before, I believe. Okay, these I also saw as I was putting them down. Now, if I get these at the right angle, you will see that it is large schools of fish, but they are holographic. Now, we're not going to need to look at them all because you can see them and I can pretty much tell they all fish. I did zoom in to see if there was an artist mark, and no, they were made by someone at Stickii. So thank you very, very much. Holographic. I can't wait to use those on everything. Either that or give them to Julia because, you know, she loves the jellyfish. Now, whatever this is, I'm also seeing, I'm going to guess because I didn't look at this obviously, but for some reason I'm feeling that these are clams with pearls inside of them. And they're either hollow or shiny. Hold on. I was right. The pearls themselves are hollow. Like just that. We've got closed ones, we've got open ones in different colors going all the way down here. These are beautiful. And they're made by someone at Stickii. So what do you think? Are you a person that likes to go in the ocean? Are you a person like me that doesn't? But I love the things that are in the ocean, especially sharks. What is your favorite sea creature? Go ahead and throw it down in the comments below. And if you can find an emoji for that sea creature, go ahead and put that there. Otherwise, I will see you in my next unboxing, which will hopefully be very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.